How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about a more basic question related to auto insurance, and that is, what is comprehensive coverage? Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether that's for yourself, your business, or your family, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. Comprehensive coverage is an important part of your policy, and it helps protect your vehicle from damage that is not related to an accident with another vehicle. So if something like a fire, theft, vandalism, or weather damage happens to your car, comprehensive coverage would step in. It also covers things like if you hit a deer, or even damage to your windshield or any other glass on the vehicle. Comprehensive coverage is oftentimes included with collision coverage. These two coverages together make up the physical damage coverages on an auto insurance policy. So again, think of comprehensive as covering anything outside of a collision accident with another vehicle. Things like if a tree falls on your car during a storm, your car's stolen, events like that is when comprehensive coverage would come into play. Now, while comprehensive coverage is optional in most states, it will almost always be required if you do have a loan or a lease on the vehicle. And one thing to keep in mind with comprehensive coverage is that it will typically only pay up to the actual cash value of the vehicle, which is the market value at the time of the loss. So this takes into account depreciation. So if you still owe more on your loan or a lease than the car's actual cash value, this is where you might want to consider adding loan or lease gap coverage to your policy. Gap coverage helps bridge that difference between what you owe and what your insurance would pay if the car is totaled. Another important thing to note is that comprehensive coverage will also come with a deductible, and this is the amount that you would pay before the insurance coverage steps in. Choosing a higher deductible will result in lower premium, while choosing a lower deductible will result in a higher premium. Ideally, you want to pick a deductible that makes sense for you financially. One last point to consider is that while comprehensive coverage does cover many unpredictable events, it does not cover everything. So things like wear and tear, mechanical breakdowns are not covered by auto insurance. So overall, having comprehensive coverage as a part of your auto policy is always a good idea, especially in concert with collision coverage, especially if you do have the requirements from your lender. Thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your auto insurance, with any other type of insurance policy in general, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you have any questions about insurance, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.